Good afternoon, friends. This is an announcement with regard to the Nayab Tehsildar and the allied group that we are going to cover. Now, please remember the scheme for Nayab Tehsildar and allied is very simple. Uh, Similar with regard to the things that we are going to cover in the HS means or HPAS means. Now, please remember there will be slight coverage that will be fast paced, comprehensive, to the point that will be provided in Nayab Tehsildar and allied. So still the notification is still not out, but we are hoping that the Nayab Tehsildar post will still sooner or later will be out. I think in the month of November they will be out, and I think by the month of February or March the examination will be conducted. So I think it is conscious enough that we start preparing for this particular examination now. And please remember the scheme, the five subjects will be covered because these are, I think 120 marks is the paper of Nayab Tehsildar and allied is basically of 200 marks. So 200 questions are there, you have to do all the questions. This is only one group. Whichever paper is conducted last, the group will run up till that particular time. Just for example, मान लीजिए Nayab Tehsildar is in the month of March and allied is in the month of May. You have to only pay the fees for the 4 months, that is starting from November, December, January and February. So if the allied examination starts in the month of May, then from March, April, 2 months you will be getting free subscriptions. Okay, तो इस बात को ध्यान रखिएगा. And if it comes by the end of February, okay, और मान लीजिए मार्च या अप्रैल में आया तो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे एंड shorter version of economic survey, that is important, and budget will be posted. ठीक है, क्योंकि इन दोनों एग्जामिनेशन के लिए इंडियन बजट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो इंडियन बजट इज बेसिकली will not be discussed in the Nayab Tehsildar and the light examination. Only the HP budget will be discussed. Other than that, the general studies economy is also not very important. So we will have less focus on economy. We will have more focus on history, polity, geography and environment. And other than that, science is also a comprehensive thing that is being asked in the Nayab Tehsildar. Current affairs, the daily lecture of Hindu, I have already told you, without newspaper, you cannot hope to basically qualify any of the examination. You have to read the paper daily. Compilation will be provided in a shorter format for the prelims. Okay. So there will be only one compilation for the Nayab Tehsildar and the lead examination, and that will be sufficient enough. So every month, I think there will be 70 to 80 pages that will be containing different kind of information from all the aspects of the general knowledge. You have to read them. You have to basically, if situation persists, cram them. So that is the time. और कितना समय इन सब चीज़ों को पूरी होने में लगेगा? 4 से 5 महीने, not more than that. Other than that, HP daily lectures with handwritten will be provided. Now they have been made out from the 3 books, Bhalokra, Govardhan and H.G. Chaudhary. But please remember, there are some topics that are very important in examination, and these topics only will be covered. So for example, if we talk about whole of the tribes will be covered, but whole of the caste, jati, prajati will not be covered. Okay. So I think for last 1 or 2 years, 3 years basically, 2-3 years, we have been seeing the pattern in the Nayab Tehsildar examination that what are the important topics. So we will do all the important topics. Just for example, the chapter 1 of Bhalokra is very important, which contains geography, fall, glaciers, mountains, everything in that. Then there is another chapter that is the politics of HP, that is also very important. There are certain less important chapters. So for example, if we talk about the state of Hamirpur, that is a less important state. Okay, although the questions are still asked from that particular state, but that is a less important state in comparison to Chamba and Kangra. ठीक है, तो इस बात को ध्यान रखिए. वी विल फोकस ऑन द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन द बुक्स जो हमारे पास हैं, बिकॉज नायब तहसीलदार के लिए यू नीड नॉट टू बी लर्निंग एवरीथिंग और एवरी ब्लॉक. आपको 1800 पेजेस की वो किताब है वो आपको पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उसमें से कुछ टॉपिक्स वी विल गो क्लोज टू 800 यू कैन से ऑड पेजेस. 800 odd pages you have to basically study. तो इस बात का ध्यान रखिएगा. और फीस जो है दैट विल बी 1800 रुपीज पर मंथ, दैट इज नीडेड टू बी पेड बिफोर 5th of every month. तो इस बात को ध्यान रखिएगा, 4 महीने की फीस ये लगेगी आपकी तरफ से। और इसकी डिटेल जो है, द फीस डिटेल्स एंड द डेडलाइन आई थिंक विल बी अबाउट 25 और 26 ध्यान रखिएगा, once the date is over, neither the one time payment of the full course or neither the direct payment of the course will be conducted. अगर फिर भी आपको किसी तरह की परेशानी आए तो यू कैन इन्फॉर्म ऑन द नंबर दैट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू इन द ड्यू कोर्स, एंड ऑल्सो सर्टेन फॉर्म ऑफ जैसे जिस पे आपको पैसा ट्रांसफर करना है, दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, ट्रांजेक्शन नंबर विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू, ठीक है। तो आप उस पर किस तरह से प्रोसीजर ट्रांसफर करना है यू कैन डू, एंड इन द मीन टाइम देयर विल बी लेक्चर्स दैट विल बी पोस्टेड ऑल्सो। तो जनरली इसके भी आपके जो है 3 से 4.5 घंटे के लेक्चर्स रहेंगे। इनिशियली वी विल स्टार्ट विद द सेम पेस, फिर एक बार जब यू विल पिक अप द पेस तो नायब तहसीलदार विल रन फास्टर इन कंपैरिजन टू द HPS. HPS will be more comprehensive and Nayab Tehsildar will be more brief. ठीक है, what is the important information, only that we will discuss. So Nayab Tehsildar you can assume कि will be a revision of whatever we have been reading in the HS group. ठीक है, HS group जो है that will be comprehensive, तो उसके lectures भी बड़े होंगे, information भी बड़ी होगी, sources भी बड़े होंगे, and time taken will also will be long. But Nayab Tehsildar will be in a slight shorter format. But that does not mean that the syllabus will be left out. Whatever is important, everything will be covered. Okay. पर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इकोनॉमी पे नायब तहसीलदार वाले पेपर में इतना ज़्यादा फोकस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो वी कैन स्किप सर्टेन सेक्शंस ऑफ इकोनॉमी। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फॉरेन एक्सचेंज, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इज an important topic for HS, but it is not an important topic for नायब तहसीलदार. However, the domestic condition of economy, that is the input, demand and supply, they are both equally important for either examination, Nayab Tehsildar and the HS examination. Okay, so selectively we will pick up some topics and we will discuss them. ठीक है, तो इस बात को ध्यान रखिएगा। इसी तरह से सिलेबस कवर होगा। इसके बाद भी अगर आपको किसी तरह का डाउट किसी भी चीज़ में है तो नंबर हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन प्रोवाइडेड यू इनटू द ग्रुप, तो आप उस पर व्हाट्सएप मैसेज करके यू कैन गेट एनी इंफॉर्मेशन इफ यू वांट। ओके, तो दैट इज इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. I hope you are prepared, and from tomorrow onwards you will be starting receiving some of the lectures. You can judge on that particular basis कि quality किस तरह की है, and other than that I think the success is already, चलिए success की बात किसी और lecture में करेंगे, what are the successes that we have. तो if you have any doubt, the number is provided, you can contact on that.